The car's washed and ready to go. Check it out, she looks amazing. A few little drip spots, we gotta just dry up. But Lord Jesus, look how nice this thing looks. Check that out. God damn. What's up, guys? Welcome to this cloudy, kind of rainy day. We are doing a photo shoot with JQC Photos, and we're gonna go on a bit of an adventure today. I hope you guys are excited. We had a mini tornado yesterday, so a bunch of these places got really messed up. We're going to this cool underground parking. I think it's called Bloomington Station, and we're gonna take some shots. I'm obviously gonna take some video. We're gonna do some cinematics and everything too. I'm super excited. Let's get into this video. It's gonna be a rainy day, but I'm here with JQC Photos. It's got, I think it's absolutely clean 9 Gen. And we're gonna make our way down. It's about an hour drive, but it's this awesome GO station with some awesome lights. I'm excited to show you guys, especially if you haven't seen it before. Some of you guys might know what it is. I believe it's called Bloomington GO Station. But yeah, check that thing out. This thing's so clean. It's unreal. Look at that. I'll see if I can get some rollers. So we're just doing a quick stop here. We're at the gas station. I'm gonna grab some drinks, use the bathroom, and check my tire pressure. I haven't done that in a little bit. And Mr. JQC is gonna get some gas, but super excited. Too bad this weather's shit. I washed the car for absolutely nothing. They said it was gonna rain for 1 mil for like 10 minutes. So I was like, that's not too bad. But it's raining for at least a steady hour. God damn it. Just my luck. We've made it to our station here. This is where we're gonna be taking all our shots. I have Mr. JQC doing his magic as always. I'll take his Insta right here. Go check it out. You'll see the photos there also. But this is one of the spots here, and this looks absolutely sick. I'm very sure this is gonna turn out really good, and I'm super excited. If you guys remember, he took the first photo shoot when I first got the car. Now this is like, we've done quite a few things since then, but we're not even near done what we want to do, but it's looking amazing. But a lot of, I'm still waiting for lips, duck bills, and all that type of stuff to put on. But right now it's a pretty clean setup. Just wheels, suspension, brakes, and that's all you really need. We did big Brembos all around. We did some nice wheels and an exhaust system. But I'm sorry, I'm just looking at the car. It looks amazing. I love this generation. Like if I had to build a 9 Gen, it would be this exactly, the sedan in this generation. This thing's my absolute favorite. The HFP kit just looks so clean all around. Check this thing out. We'll definitely get some footage of this also. This thing looks super clean. What do you guys think? Should we build a 9 Gen one day on the channel? I messed up. This morning was super warm and I'm in shorts, and now it's absolutely freezing. I look like I'm nuts wearing shorts. God damn. Check this place out. It's absolutely sick. Look at the car. Try not to get in his way. Lighting here is absolutely sick. And then usually at nighttime, those ring lights like shine right down over here, which we're gonna try getting somewhere around here to take some further shots. But it looks so nice here.
how'd you guys like those cinematics? The cars look absolutely amazing. This location is sick. Definitely going to use this again. The lighting here is amazing. The gray weather actually plays a good effect into how this is looking. Nice lighting makes a huge difference with video and photos. I'm super excited to see his photos because he's absolutely killing it. I think he's already got like over 100 photos easy, probably, and he's still going. This is going to be insane. What I'll do is, if you do want to see the photos, you'll definitely have to follow him, and then you have to follow myself and check it on our Instagrams. And yeah, I'm super hyped. Can't wait to see them. What's nice about this is the car is gray, everything's gray, but you have a lot of yellow here that kind of like contrasts and pops, kind of saturates kind of the video and the photo too, just by those little pops of color, as you guys can see. I'm so excited to see the photos. Let's see if we can sneak peek one right now. The focus is in. Oh yeah, that's gonna look sick. What I really like about these cars is there's one generation. I believe these are just the 12s, and 13 to 15 were the second gen, 9 gens. And I don't know, I just like this generation because you don't see them too often, especially in this color. All my Honda bros down below, what do you guys think of it? Would you go 13 to 15, or would you stick to this generation here? I personally would go with this. So you guys probably see a bit of a quality difference. We're on the GoPro, and first off, I want to say thank you to Jason, JQC Photos, for killing those photos. I can't wait to show you guys. I saw some of the previews and they look amazing. He did some merch shots too, because our website's going live very soon. Just waiting on some jet tags that are taking a little while. But I'm gonna do something I don't think any other car YouTuber's ever done. I'm gonna put fishing and car stuff in one video. This is gonna be a bit of a vlog. We're gonna hit up a body of water that we do really well catching. Mello and Alex are there right now, and they've been catching a few, so we're gonna head over. I'm gonna strap you guys up and let's see if we can land some fish. Let me know if you guys like the car and fishing in one or separately. Today we're gonna experiment a little bit and see how this goes. I'm super excited. Hopefully we catch something. Let's go, Alex. What just came out of your mouth? I don't know why I have this stupid jerkbait on and he got hit. Oh, it's a pike?
It's not a bass because it's not in season.
Yeah. We're actually trying to fish for catfish here. Yo, it's a big bass, bro. We don't eat any of the fish here. This beautiful thing, beautiful fish.
Damn.
And he is gone. Oh. There you go, beautiful fish. Beautiful. Damn, bro. It's okay. I think it's a pike. Head shakes. All right, we're on, boys. There we go. Woo! He swallowed it. My bait is gone, boys.
Neck him, bro.
Let's go, boys. Not a bad one. All right, boys. There it is. Caught a beautiful pike. Some nice color. We're not keeping these. We're gonna release them. This is all for fun. A little dirty. For a nice guy right here. Let's go. He came back and hit it twice. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Oh, that's a nice pike, dude. Let's go, Mello. Right into the head. Beautiful. And there she goes. Beautiful. Let's go. Mello's on another one. It's in those weeds. Yeah, same bait. Big swim bait.
Yeah, same bait. Pike again.
Let's go. This feels heavy though, because it's going through all those weeds, eh? Good shit, Mello. Good shit. Beautiful. That bait's killing it. They're loving it. So I just broke off. Second pike broke off in a row, and now Mello is on again.
This guy choked.
Another one. Another. Not that big though. Feeling good though. Choked it. Oh no, he didn't. Beautiful fish. The bite is on, boys. The bite is on. This guy. See you later. Let's go. Oh, he's coming to me. He's coming to me. He's coming to me. He was darting towards me. Oh, yo, I got it on camera.
That was good.
Yo, let's go. Another one. I don't know where we're at, boys, but it is. Boy, that guy's energy. Woo! Check these things out. Super sick. Me and Mello rolling in the 90s style, even though mine's early 2000s, but takes us back a little bit. Good shit.
It's got a front camera, right?
Good shit. All right, there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was a bit of a different style of vlog. I incorporated two hobbies I really enjoy doing. As you can see, we had a really great day on the water. We caught a lot of fish. And it is pike season. We were going for pike. The bass was accidental. We got it out safely, as you guys saw. But I hope you guys enjoyed the cinematics in the beginning, the fishing now. I've integrated both into one vlog. Let me know if you want to see more fishing vlogs. Honestly, I go fishing quite a bit, and so does Alex and Mel, and they're absolutely amazing at it. And we do catch a decent amount of fish. So if you guys are interested in it, definitely let me know if you want separate videos or you'd like kind of like just a vlog style like today's video. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. If you stuck to the end, you are a legend. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out. Do it once, do it right, and later.